all these are the shit. Like, that's what I'm gonna say to that, you know what I mean? This used to be my jam, like, I'm gonna tell y'all right now. Fire. What's everyone's goal for 2021? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing a tutorial on how I do my eyeliner, because a lot of people always comment on it and they really like it, and my friends are like always enjoying watching me whenever I put it on. So I'm like, still to this day I'm kind of shocked I haven't really made the video about it yet. So let's gonna go ahead and start 2021 correctly, and I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I do it. So hopefully it'll help you. It's not really different from the way other people do it, but I don't know, maybe there are some tips and tricks I can mention that'll be able to help you guys. So anyway, go ahead and keep on watching the video. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already just have my eyeshadow done. The only thing I have left to do is putting on mascara, curling my eyelashes, and doing the eyeliner, and then applying fake eyelashes on top. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step is I'm going to take my absolutely favorite eyeliner. It's the Stila Cosmetics Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Luna, and it's a pen form, and it is waterproof, so that can be a little scary to some people, but that's okay. And I like it for my eye shape. I like it to be more like, not so much like this, but more like down, right? So that's what I do. And so I'm gonna go ahead and do my best here, and I'm just gonna quickly draw a line, just like that. See how it's more flat? It's not as lifted as some other girls like to do, or guys, you know, whatever. And then I just kind of go boom, close my eye, just like that, right? Just to kind of start leading the eyeliner. And then I'll fill this in very carefully. Oh my god. I have like nothing to rest my arms on, and I usually do. So this is insane. Meet the other line kind of in the middle. Kind of like that. And then I'm just gonna quickly adjust it the best that I can. So the point of eyeliner, I think like the perfect eyeliner, what it looks like is, once you open up your eyes and you look straight at someone or in the mirror at yourself, your line will transition smoothly either way, you know what I mean? Because sometimes it'll break and there'll be like a triangle or something. That's like when I'm like, ugh, it's not done correctly. I don't know. But for me, my goal is to keep the line going smooth across the eye, if that makes sense. I hope it does. Anyway, so I'm gonna keep adjusting this until I am fully satisfied with this. So I'm just kind of cleaning up everything here, and you know, doing finishing touches here. So now I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and do my other eye, and then I'll be right back. So I went ahead and just kind of finished my other eyeliner. Now what I'm gonna do is, and this is a really cool little trick to do, is you grab a very nice gel eyeliner that just glides really smooth, and then what I like to do is I kind of go under my eyelid and put this on, just so that my eyelid doesn't show through whenever I put my eyelashes on. So, and you want to do this kind of careful, and this is why you want it to glide really easy. That way you don't have to press so hard, it just kind of goes on smoothly and it doesn't bother you when you do it. So the one I really like is the Clinique, which is the one I'm using right now. It's the quick liner for eyes intense, and it works like a gem. So it's a 10 out of 10 for me for this one. Just like that. So it just hides the skin of your eyelid a little bit more. And now onto curling our eyelashes. So I did something over the holiday break, and I got myself a new set of eyelash curlers from TJ Maxx. These babies costed me like $4.99. Much better price than the Tarte curlers. So yeah, totally worth it. I really like it. It does not pull on my eyelashes. It just curls them really nice, and yeah, 10 out of 10. Okay, now I'm just gonna apply mascara. I'm using the Clinique one because that's the first one I could find. So now I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'll apply my eyelashes. So I also went ahead and got a new lash glue. Now I use House of Lashes, and I know I keep like hyping up all the other glues, like the Tarte one I really like, and then I have the oh my god. Okay, it's the last glue that I've been using for the past, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 videos. I forgot what it's called, I can't believe it. So that's also a really good glue. It's not as hyped as House of Lashes though. And it's their adhesive, it's the clear one, and it comes in a little tube, and like always, my favorite types of glues will always have a little wand, which is really helpful. So I love this one. It sticks on like, you know what I mean? And I like to kind of wiggle it back and forth just to kind of make it more flexible. And then I use my Tarte little lash applicators. And I am rather a fast lash applicator. I'm just like... I also kind of just like to take my fingers and just kind of push the eyelashes down a little bit against my eyelid, just to really make sure that it glues on. I do sometimes mess up like I just did. So I just take the little tweezers, put those eyelashes back on there, and just push them into the eyelid. And this is how I do my eyeliner. Very simple. I know it's not really different the way other people do eyeliner. I kind of freehanded a lot of times, but I did start out with Scotch tape. That is a nice trick to, you know, do it with, where you tape it at the bottom and then it kind of just helps you guide. But now I kind of just freehanded just because I really try not to waste time, I guess, you know. I just like to just do it. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Give me a quick thumbs up after the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let your friends know, share on your social media platforms. It will be insanely helpful. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. And don't forget, it's 2021, so kill it out there. That's really my advice to anyone and everyone. So this is the year.